If you've ever made a selection in Photopea and then wondered how to clear it fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deselect in Photopea using the quickest keyboard shortcut, the top menu option, and a couple of simple mouse methods. This is one of those tiny skills that saves a lot of time when you're editing images, removing backgrounds, or adjusting part of a design. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips just like this. Let's get into it. The fastest way to deselect in Photopea is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, just press Ctrl and D at the same time. The moment you do that, your active selection will disappear and you'll be back to working on the full canvas. This is the method most people use because it's instant, easy to remember, and works great when you're moving quickly through an edit. If you prefer using the menus, Photopea also gives you a very simple option at the top. Go up to the Select menu in the top toolbar. Click it once and in the drop-down list, choose Deselect. As soon as you click that, the selection is cleared. This is especially useful if you're still learning Photopea and want to see exactly where the command is located. Now, there's also a mouse-based way to remove a selection depending on the tool you're using. If you're actively using a selection tool like the rectangle select, lasso, or magic wand, you can sometimes click once outside the selected area on the canvas to clear or reset what you're doing. This can be helpful when you're still in the middle of selecting something and want to start over. Just remember, this is more of a workflow trick than the main official deselect command, so the shortcut and the select menu are usually the most reliable options. Another method you can try is right-clicking inside the selection on your canvas. In some cases, Photopea may show a context menu with the option to deselect. If you see it, just click deselect and the selection will be removed. If it doesn't appear in your current situation, don't worry, because Ctrl D and the select menu will always be your safest choices. So if you want the fastest answer, press Ctrl D. If you want the menu route, go to select and choose deselect. And if you're experimenting with your selection tools, a quick click or right click can sometimes help depending on the tool and what you're doing. That's how to deselect in Photopea in just a few seconds. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.